In an attempt to explain what happened in the Nigerian equity market today, being 7th of November 2025, we are going to look at key performance indicators. These indicators or parameters, they are being used to measure the overall performance of all the companies listed in the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Earlier today, somebody called me and the person told me that the Nigerian equity market is now in a bear territory. And I asked him, how do you know? He said, because my portfolio is bleeding. Not only that, 2 to 3 stocks is down by 20 to 30%. And I replied him by saying, you cannot use an individual stocks in your portfolio to judge if the market is now in a bull territory or a bear territory. If you want to know if a market is in a bear or bull territory, you use what we call a market structure, which is subdivided into 3: the bull, the bear, and the ranging market. Now, let's look at exactly what has taken place in the Nigerian equity market today, starting with all share index. All share index today closed at 149,524.81 basis points. The same all share index that opened the year with 102 psychological level. The same all share index in the last month that attained what we call uncharted territory of about 156,000 psychological level. Just few days ago that we've been having the all share index is losing by a few percentage, people begin to complain that the Nigerian equity market is now in a bear territory. Again, let's look at the volume. The volume of the shares that were traded today was 527 million units with value 15 billion naira across 24,637 deals. Again, the total equity, which is the market cap for the equity, is 94 trillion naira. The bond cap is 52 trillion naira. The ETF is 33 billion naira. Now, we have what we call a market breadth. Market breadth is used to compare the ratio of advancer to that of decliner. I mean, the top gainers to that of top loser. Now, in this case, the advancer, which is the gainer, is 19. The decliner, which is the loser, are 40. In as much as the ratio of the decliner is more than the advancer, it means the market breadth is negative, meaning that that shows a weak investor sentiment towards the Nigerian equity market. Again, year to date, all share index has returned 47.27%. That is the gain that the all share index has returned. And of course, this index already outperformed the official headline inflation of about 18.2%. Therefore, what we have presently is not even a break of structure into a downtrend. What we have is just a temporary pullback, not a bear market. With this, I've come to the end of today's class. Help me like, share, and comment on this video. Thank you.